Hi, today we will try to learn how we can test the hypothesis for grouping variable. In SPSS, we called it independent sample t-test. In this case, we have the null hypothesis. In null hypothesis, we test the difference between two means. For example, we have a categorical variable for a gender, male and female, then we will test the difference between these two means. Let's start with another example in SPSS. To test the independent sample t-test, go to Analyze, go to Compare Mean, then select the independent sample t-test. Here we have two different columns. One is test variable and second is for grouping variable. Now in this case we have a gender as a grouping variable, then input the grouping variable here, gender, then define the groups. In gender we have two genders, male and female. For male we used 1 and for female we used 2. Then put 1 here and 2 here and press continue. Then input internet shopping variable here in this column. It means that we are going to test the comparison of the means of male and female with respect of internet shopping. Press OK. Here is the result of SPSS. We have two tables. First defines the group statistics and second defines the independent samples test. In group statistics we have total number of observations, then mean, standard deviation and standard error. In independent sample t-test we have the t-test hypothesis results. Here we can see the significant two-tailed value is 0.069, which is greater than 0.05. Now our value is greater than 0.05. It means that we cannot accept the null hypothesis. We cannot accept this. It means that the internet shopping for male and female have no difference.